அவங்களுக்கு என்ன மாதிரி ஏதாவது நன்கொடைய யாராவது கொடுத்து உதவணும்னு கடவுளை கும்பிட்டுக்கிறேன்.
మేము పల్లికి పోతా ఉంటిమి మట్టదొడ్డి అలుగూరు అడవులకంతా పోయి వాసాలు తెచ్చి బిడ్డలు సాకాలని రెయ్యం పొగులు నిద్రాగారం లేక డబ్బు సరిగా వచ్చేలేదు.
ఎంగమ్మ మీ డబ్బు దగ్గులే ఆమె సింగిన గడై రహ్యానాము అడ్డంగి అంద తిమనాము.
COVID-19 has revealed the criticality of attaining the Sustainable Development Goals. What are the actions that are needed to be taken? Which are the organizations who are going to make this happen at the scale required to achieve the goals by 2030?
Industry is implementing the producer-owned women enterprises Power project funded by USAID under the Women's Global Development Prosperity Initiative. Power uses a holistic approach to ensure that producers are able to earn higher incomes through regular work in a dignified manner.
Under the Power project, industry is working to establish enterprises in 3 natural fiber value chains, working with artisans and craft communities to merge traditional skills and modern design. Creating sustainable enterprises also means creating regenerative value chains. These 3 value chains will be traceable and transparent, including conscious harvesting and replacing of natural materials. Through these 3 value chains, products are handmade in the most remote areas of India, but will reach shelves of some of the large retailers across the world.
Why do we set up women-owned producer enterprises? A woman who earns looks after a family. A family that is looked after contributes to community. Community contributes to a better society. So how do we do this? We do this using what we call a 6C model, which is an enabling ecosystem builder. So what are the elements of the 6C model? The first is construct, the second is channel, the third is create, the fourth is capital, and the fifth is capacity. And lastly, we have connect.
The design process includes sketching, ideations and analyzing trends, and then preparation and making prototypes of the product and getting it approved before the production.
ఈ పని మాదిరి పని అనేది ఎంత కేవలంగా చూస్తాండారో దాన్ని ఇంకా ఎక్కువ స్థానంలో తీసుకెళ్ళాలి అని ఈ కంపెనీకి రావాలి సంపాదించాలి అని.
Training and capacity building are 2 important criteria of industry's intervention. Hard skills on product skilling is very important for the women to meet the product standards according to the buyer's requirements. Clean manufacturing practices are applied on the production line to take away waste and redundancy.
தெரியட்டுமே நான் சாருங்ககிட்டயுமே சொன்னேன், இந்த இது இப்படி பண்ணால் சரிப்படுத்தலாம்னு சொன்னேன். சொல்லட்டுமே அவங்களே என்கரேஜ் பண்ணி அவங்களா QC டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்டில் என்னை எடுத்து தேர்ந்தெடுத்து போட்டாங்க.
எல்லா ப்ராடக்ட்டுமே இஷ்டப்பட்டு தான் பண்ணுறோம். ஒவ்வொரு புது டிசைனாக பார்க்கும்போது ஆர்வம் அதிகமாகுது. வேஸ்ட் ஆக்காமல் நம்ம ஒரு ப்ராடக்டாக பண்ணி வெளிநாட்டுக்கு அனுப்புகிறோன்றது ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருக்குது.
We are seeing a shift in the market towards conscious consumerism. This opens up the space for sustainable materials like natural fiber. With the increase in demand, economic opportunities also increase, thus creating jobs at the grassroots level and helping the women rise out of poverty.
Industry has developed unique curriculum modules on life skills, finance and business skills. The 6Y and gender trainings in particular help these women to learn about themselves and their interactions with the family, work and community, their rights, their access and opportunities.
உலகத்தை தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம் வேலைக்கு வந்தா. இங்கே 4 பேரோட பழகினா 4 பேரோட மைண்டும் தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். அவங்க சொல்கிறது என்ன, நல்லது கெட்டது என்னன்னு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம். வீட்டிலே இருந்தோம் முதல்ல, அதெல்லாம் தெரியாது.
କାହିଁକି ଝିଅର ବି ଅଧିକାର ଅଛି, ଝିଅ ବି କାମ କରିବ, ତାର ବି ଇଚ୍ଛା ଅଛି ସେ ମୁଁ କିଛି ଗୋଟେ ଇନକମ୍ କରିବି ବୋଲି, ତ ସେଇଟା ଝିଅ ପୁଅକୁ ସମାନ ଅଧିକାର ଦେବା ଦରକାର.
The first year of the Power project focuses on creating enterprises that will build livelihoods for 2,000 women. The women are currently embarked on their social and economic empowerment. These self-sustainable businesses that are being created for them will make them entrepreneurs and help them create beautiful natural fiber and bamboo products for modern consumers.
5 வருஷத்துக்கு பிற்பாடு எப்படி மாறுதோ தெரியல. இப்பயுமே நாங்க தான் அந்த கம்பெனி ஆல்ரவுண்ட் ஒரு கெவருமே இருக்கு.
प्रथमे छोटरू बड़ पर्यंत जोटा कि आरंभ करने को पड़ो माने छोटरू कहले गाँव हो कि ग्रुप रु हो से भितर आमको प्रथमे आरंभ करने को पड़ो जो तापर सेटा बढ़ी बढ़ी जीव तापर बढ़ी बढ़ी जाइकी पूरा दुनिया को सेटा पाई जीव.
Tomorrow is women empowered, self-efficacy, equal,
regenerative enterprises,
sustainable,
green.
Tomorrow is the power of empowered grassroots communities.